From World of Concrete 2015, with me now is Mike Reinhardt representing Caterpillar. And Mike and I are going to talk power unit for you because this is something that's really new in a Caterpillar lineup. It became available, as I understand, Mike, in 2014. So what's the status of the C4.4 power unit as we speak?
Yeah. So in 2000, well, actually a longer development process, but in effective January 1st of 2015 are the US EPA emission requirements. And so the C4.4 power unit is designed to meet the US EPA regulations starting January 1st of 2015.
That's very interesting. Now, what did you have to do to attain that particular goal as opposed to earlier versions and, of course, earlier EPA regs?
Well, you know, the earlier EPA regs, it's been a journey, right? From Tier 4 interim to Tier 4 final. And so in Tier 4 final, we added additional emissions features to meet the overall emissions regulations. And we have a DOC, diesel oxidation catalyst, diesel particulate filter, and with the addition of a SCR, selective catalytic reduction system on the engine to meet the emissions regulations requirements.
Now, is this designed for just specific lineup of equipment, or is this is this the overall, this is it now?
Well, this is really designed, it's very flexible. The power unit that's on display is a fan to flywheels, we call it, plus a radiator package. And it does provide kind of a drop-in, we call it drop-in opportunity for OEMs who really don't want to do a lot of engineering work. So it's designed from a factory perspective, and it provides, we think, flexibility.
Is this possible to be used as a slider kit? Would that be something in that lineup that would be applicable to that?
A slider, it's actually designed as I'm not sure the term slider, I'm sorry.
Okay.
But overall, it's designed to be very flexible with the different options. After treatment can be mounted on the engine, or it could be mounted off the engine, depending upon what the OEM requirements are, what their space requirements are. But it's been designed and packaged as a very compact, well-engineered package, and from a user perspective, and from a service
speaking
standpoint.
more or less from the standpoint of, we know there are a lot of contractors out there who have the ability to have the big shops, have the mechanics, and are always looking to upgrade a power plant, let's say, change that out, and are looking at the latest technology just to keep themselves all legal with the EPA, shall we say, and then they will pop one, exchange one for the other, and that's where the term slider kit comes from.
Okay, well, thank you, Rob. From an overall, certainly this engine you could utilize it to change out a previous configuration engine, but it really does provide that flexibility. So from an overall user perspective, certainly it would meet the regulations and really would bring the piece of equipment up to the latest emissions regulations. Obviously, when you do any work like that, you need to make sure that it meets the application requirements as well.
So as we're sitting here, World of Concrete 2015, this is available on the market as we speak?
It is available now. It's available for order. And we've been working with a number of our different customers over the last year to get prepared for this point in availability. So the engine and the power unit that's on the stand, on the Caterpillar stand, is ready and available. So encourage you to contact your local Caterpillar dealer for assistance and for help and additional technical details.
Certainly. Mike, pleasure to meet you.
Great.
Mike Reinhardt, happy that you brought your message over to us and all the folks out there watching from World of Concrete 2015.
Thank you very much, Roger.